Welcome to Quick User Guide for BBC MicroBit. Firstly, let's learn more about BBC MicroBit board. This is a photo of front and back diagram of MicroBit board. You can learn more about physical features of MicroBit board. Secondly, let's learn how to power BBC MicroBit. The first way, you can power BBC MicroBit via onboard JST connector with 2 battery as above. The second way, you can power BBC MicroBit via onboard micro USB connector with a micro USB power cable. The third way, you can power BBC MicroBit via marking 3 volts and 0 volts CPO pins on the edge connector of the board. The fourth way, you can power BBC MicroBit via 2 pads on the back of the board. The fifth way, you can power BBC MicroBit via OSYOO breakout board as above. Thirdly, let's learn how to connect the MicroBit with computer. You need to prepare a micro USB data cable firstly. Connect MicroBit with computer. Computer will notice you get a new disk drive when you connect MicroBit with computer. You can also find a new disk drive when click computer. If you don't find new disk, please follow our instruction, http://osyo.com/p=20181. Find basic tutorials. How do I connect the MicroBit to my computer? For Windows earlier than Windows 10 users, you will probably need to install a serial port driver, ARM Windows Serial Port Driver. Please download ARM Windows Serial Port Driver from here. Please read the details carefully before installing the driver. Fourthly, let's learn how to code MicroBit. You can go to our instruction to learn more coding editor for MicroBit. Here we use the Make Code editor to conduct tutorial experiments. Click MicroBit to program MicroBit. Click plus to add your new project. You will enter code editor page. Lastly, let's show an example. The first example hard is flashing. Add show LED block to on start block. Click pattern as you like. Download this program to your MicroBit drive. After uploading, one heart will be flashing on your MicroBit.